Kublai Shibun ka SSA is Kasihil District kalapanmi ya ka job notification vacancy telada pikwa ya ka kamno hikai tepej ya kane ka video opinio ya ki complete detail kum ha ka post detail katno ka jinsiu ki qualification berankam bad age limit baru ngin bataya pihak kane ka video te sewa ban subscribe ya kane ka channel bat salaj share ya kane ka video teto ni sedang no mentah Teha ka is Kasihil District ki kam ke blat ki dei na banta ki assistant lecturer but teacher vacancy bat barok ki post ki blat ki long RR post bat ka khot ya phi lengba ka offline ha ka standard application form na banta kini ki artali ki post na banta ka RMSA secondary school hapo jong ka samagra shiksha abhiyan ha ka is Kasihil District bat ka bdei ha ka contractual basis bat ka tarik ka bakadu kaba phila ban submit ya ki application jung fi kadai hadu South Tariko Agas arjar arfulai bat ha ka post jong ka assistant lecturer ki sit ki blat ki long arpoi set bat kini ki arpoi set ki kentup ha ki department ba per tani ha ki subject wise vacancy list pankong na banta ka English lai set na banta ka khasi South set na banta ka history chi set na banta ka political science South set na banta ka economic art set na banta ka education lai set na banta ka geography chi set namta ka philosophy chiset bat ka jinsiu kadai hadu lai phuajar haka shibnai bat haka qualification ka ba phidei ban pandap kadai lengba ka master degree haki relevant subject bat computer phidei ban pandap ya ka BEd na kano ka recognized university lane arsnem ka integrated haka MSc bat BEd kurs lane ka baniarang kad yakini ki kurs lengba arsnem jong ka teaching experience bat namanta ka post jong ka assistant teacher ha ka mathematik ki post ki blat ki dei tangkawe bat ka jinsiu ka ba alfna hajar shibnai bat ki qualification ka ba phidei bandon bachelor ha ka subject science BSc lengba ka major subject ha ka mathematik ane bachelor of science lengba ka physics chemistry bat mathematik bat lengba ka BEd bat ka age limit ka dei khatra hadu lai pa asnam karta bat ka relaxation kadai na banta ki SC ber ST kadai sansnam bat kumno phila ban submit ya ki application jungpi na banta ka SSA is Kasihil District na banta ka post jong ka assistant lecturer bat teacher vacancy ka banangkong pihak ban pendap ya ki application form jungpi lengba ka standard application form bar bat phidei ban mention ya o contact number bat email address ha ka application form jungpi bat ki photocopy jong baro ki marksheet birth certificate bat experience certificate lengba ki attested bat komjuru ka passport size bat ki original document jong pihak banwanra ha ka por long interview na banta ka verification kabelai bat adin ba fil ada penbiang lot ya ki dokumen baro pihak ban submit ya ki application form jong sha ka office jong ka district school education officer bat district project coordinator is Kasihil District Shillong room nomor ka ba 5A DERT compose nong remau lajum kera haswa ka South Tariko Agos arjar arfulai tetang katne Kublai Shibun